Emirates Hills, and welcome. So the very first district of the luxury mansions here in Dubai. This was always called the Hollywood of Dubai. This is Emirates Hills, built and designed by Emaar. And as you all know, Emaar is the #1 developer here in Dubai. They've built all of downtown Dubai, Dubai Mall and the Burj Khalifa. So these plots and villas were sold well over 18 years ago now. And you really do have some mega mansions like you've never seen. These particular properties on our left are facing the golf course, and you have others that are facing parks. But this is really the who's who of Dubai, and this is the original billionaires, shall we say, mansions of Dubai. We also have the Palm Jumeirah and Jumeirah Bay now, and of course also now plots and mansions in Dubai Hills. But you know, the who's who of the world was certainly always coming here to Emirates Hills, and very much still are. And every single property, as you can see, is completely unique. Different designs, different built up areas, different plots, and yeah, just something for everyone really. So I thought I would do a little drive through of Emirates Hills because I'm not in here that often. See, look right here, somebody's literally building a project of a house from start, and these are basement plus ground, first floor, rooftop. I mean, you get built ups here of over 30-40,000. There's even a mansion here with a helipad. So like literally when I say the who's who of the world, they're very much residing here. You can see some of the driveways down, and on the other side it is no different. Now we have the Montgomerie 18-hole golf course that sort of swirls its way in and out of this project and community, and of course that is a beautiful golf course. I am a golfer now. I'm not quite a pro yet. I'm certainly not Montgomerie but I have played this course, and it's absolutely stunning. It's spectacular, and the sunset, the views looking back over Dubai. So why do people choose Emirates Hills? Apart from it being extremely luxurious, it's because of the location. We are literally minutes behind the Sheikh Zayed Road, so in terms of getting out to the Palm or to the beachfront or anywhere like that, you know, it makes it very, very easy. And also, you know, in terms of driving down to Abu Dhabi on the Sheikh Zayed Road or up to downtown and the financial district, that's also very, very close by. But, you know, check this out. I have met up with friends before, and we've done like a morning walk along this fabulous lake here. Can you see the water here on my left? Just trying to give you a bit of an idea of how it looks. So some people have water views and the others have golf course views. As you can, so a lot of those are actually originals. Some of those are actually the meadows as well over there. So we are right here next to the meadows, and then here on this side is Emirates Hills. In fact, that's really funny. That house right over there, I actually have for sale. You can see it on my YouTube channel. That one there, right? That one, so funny. So now driving this way, you can actually see how close we are. That is Jumeirah Lake Towers behind us, well, in front of us, and then in front of that is Dubai Marina. And at night, it's such a lovely walk along here at sunset. And what I love is because it's such a mature community, it's, you know, the landscaping is grown, the trees have had time to grow up, and it's really, really nice here when the weather cools down. Right now, I don't think you want to be outside walking. It's 3 o'clock, end of May. I'm not going to tell you the temperature, but you can only guess. It goes without saying, all of these properties have swimming pools or huge plots that they can actually put swimming pools in. And you also get really good approvals here now to be able to extend your property. So, you know, if you look down there, there's like a nice green leafy street as well. So this is really, you know, another one of those billionaires rows of Dubai. I did a video a few months, actually it was a year ago now, going down the front at the Palm, which is known as the Billionaires row there. Well, this Emirates Hills is considered the, you know, one of the most prestigious locations for mansions. And some of you watching this will think, well, some of these villas look really old, but then you've got something like that that's being done and refurbished and renovated. You know, people can actually pull down the house and start again here as well. And again, that's tough, because what you've got to understand is in Dubai there are not many plots of land for sale. If you think about it, if you're coming from Europe or the West and there's so much land, or you know, there's so much countryside, you can usually pull down an old house. Well, in Dubai it's very, very difficult to find plots of land these days, which is why everybody, you included probably watching this, are looking for opportunities like these plots or older houses that you can pull down and start again. And I mean, look, there's literally families here that have lived in these from day one. Here's just an example. I mean, look at that. Stunning, absolutely stunning. And you do even have, you know, government officials here from all over the world. Now, what I also love about Emaar, they never disappoint, is they do lots of lovely green areas, parks. So there's always somewhere to, you know, go and kick a ball for the kids, or cycle, or, you know, meet up with their friends as well. And that was just the security gate where I came in. So now we are going to carry on down this road. And yeah, this is Emirates Hills. So thank you so much for watching. If you are watching this from overseas, you want to buy a property or you want to buy a plot of land and you're not sure where, and you've got a budget sort of 50 million to 150, 200 million dirham plus, get in touch with me. I've got all sorts of great opportunities, whether you want land, whether you want mansions like this, whether you want a renovation project, there is something for every budget. And if you haven't got a bank account here yet and you're looking and you're wondering how do you actually go about the transaction, how does it all work, get in touch with me. Predominantly all of my clients, you know, you watching this video are actually sitting outside of the UAE. Many of you don't yet have bank accounts. You're moving here, you don't have your visas sorted, and you're just wondering what's the best way to do it. Do you set up a company to buy a property, or do you buy it in your own name? Those are all the questions that I can answer when you get in touch with me. Et oui, je parle français, donc si vous avez besoin des informations sur comment trouver une maison, faire la construction d'une maison neuve, j'y suis pour vous aider. And I also speak Spanish, hablo español, entonces si queréis comprar una casa o algo más grande o que cual sea, puede ser para construir algo en tu preferencia, pues llámame también. So thank you so much, and hopefully you will be getting in touch with me soon. Subscribe to my channel, and I absolutely love educating you on what's here, and then obviously helping my clients from start to finish on their property journey. Take care and have a great day.